In this video, we're going to learn how to make chicken enchiladas like a boss. Okay, so to be respectful of your time, what I've already done off camera is baked the chicken thighs at 375 for about 30 minutes, set them aside to cool. Then I've diced the white onion, plenty of it because you're going to use a lot. Then as the chicken is cooled, I have shredded it into smaller pieces to go inside the enchiladas. Okay, so once we've completed all the preparation, it really just comes down to assembly and the final baking. So let's get on it. What I typically do is I'll put a little bit of the sauce in the bottom so that the enchiladas don't stick to the bottom, right? And typically what I'll do is I will just assemble them inside here, inside this tray, and I'll show you how. I'll show you what I'm talking about. You want to warm the tortilla. Put it on the inside, and on the outside. Add your cheese. Add your chicken. Add your onion. And then you fold it. I pull it back to make it taut. Fold it on top of itself with the fold on the bottom. So you see that? You want to cook it with the fold on the bottom. Don't lift it up because the ingredients inside will fall out like it just did. But my kids found this to be easier. To have a pool of the sauce in a plate on the outside like this. Take your warm tortilla. Sauce the tortilla on the plate outside and then stick it in the casserole dish. And then it's simply rinse and repeat. All right, so there we are. 8 cheese and chicken enchiladas, and I'll show you how to finish it off here. Last thing we want to do is top off the enchiladas with a little bit more cheese, a little bit more onion, and that's all I do. I wouldn't put the, although you could, I wouldn't put the chicken on top. And then a nice coating of the enchilada sauce on top. Then we're simply going to put it in the oven at 375, covered with foil for about 20 minutes or so, 20-25 minutes. And then the last 10 minutes without the foil on, with the foil off, so if you wanted brown on top. And this is what the end result looks like. As usual, it's a privilege to be able to share this passion of mine with you. Thanks for letting me do that. If you found some value in this, shoot me a quick like, please. And thanks for watching.